What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin and baby Dogecoin today, but the first thing I want to go over is please hit that like button and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. It helps the channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, but most importantly, hit the like button. And also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. You can take that stocks and then you can put it right into Dogecoin, sell them, get it some Dogecoin with it. But anyways, let's go over the technical analysis with Dogecoin. And also, without further ado, look over here what we did with Dogecoin. We broke 31-cent support. So now we're going back down to our 30-cent support line because we just now broke a 31-cent support. But anything can happen. Remember, anything can happen in the crypto market. If Bitcoin starts to gain its price action some more, then we will rise right back up. And then we'll, get right back up to our 31-cent resistance. And then, we will break this 32% resistance and then eventually back up to our 35-cent resistance. Now, that is what we got inside the short term. But long term, I really do believe that Dogecoin has a lot of potential to continue to grow because anyways, we follow Bitcoin. Everything's following Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still holding dominance right now at 44.3% dominance. So, Ethereum's losing a little bit of dominance. It has 17.9%. But yeah, Bitcoin's still dominant here. Now, I do want to speak about this technical analysis here. We could end up retracing back down to 30 cents. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But anyways, we could retrace back down to our 30-cent support line. And then eventually, if we keep going down, our 28-cent support. And then we have major support down here at 26 cents. But do I believe we're going to go that low? Quite possibly not. But 28 cents is probably what we're looking at. 30 cents, give or take. Somewhere around there if we continue to go down this path. But I want to explain why I don't believe we're going to go down this path. Now, the first thing I want to talk about here, look at Dogecoin here. Down, it's down 3.67%. Not down that much. That's the last 24 hours. But also the last 7 days with Dogecoin, only down 3.68%. So it's nearly the same for the last 24 hours and also for the last 7 days. Now, the next thing I want to talk about with Dogecoin, look at this whale. This whale came in 4.7 billion Dogecoins. This whale literally came in with $1.5 billion yesterday for a one-time purchase of Dogecoin. $1.5 billion yesterday. One purchase that's huge. Now it's worth $1.45 billion. It's just crazy how this person could watch their money go that low, watch them lose $60 million overnight, literally losing $60 million overnight like it's nothing, but they still haven't sold because they know Dogecoin has huge potential. Now they got in at 31.9, almost 32 cents. So this is a huge statement right there. Just one whale came in with one purchase of 1.5 billion market cap. That's more market cap than baby Shiba Inu. That's more market cap than baby Doge. That's half of Shiba Inu's market cap in one order. This is why Dogecoin is so significant in the market. This is more market cap than Farm, Harvest Finance. I've been talking about that a lot. This is more market cap than a lot of cryptos out there. And let's be honest, in one purchase, this is a huge statement for Dogecoin. Really good news there that we actually have whales that have that high conviction inside Dogecoin. If someone has high enough conviction in Dogecoin to put $1.5 billion, think about it, $1.5 billion. That's probably 1 to 10% of their their whole portfolio. So think about it. They probably have 50 to $100 billion just sitting inside of the bank. And they were just like, yeah, I'll just take 1.5 billion of it and throw it in there. That's huge. That's huge money right there. Whoever that is, it's someone very important. Let's just say that. Now, next thing with Dogecoin, as you can see here, $138 million. But before it was 147 million, and that was 2 days ago, and they still have their money inside of Dogecoin. Now, a lot of Dogecoin whales, they're getting in, but they're not getting out. So look at this. This Dogecoin whale did the same thing on the 20th, came in $98 million. Like, they're coming in with big money with all one-time purchases. Now, this whale came in today with a one-time purchase of $89 million. $89.1 million one-time purchase today. Wow, like these Dogecoin whales are making huge moves. This Dogecoin whale also came in today, $61.5 million. This is why I'm saying, guys, like I have so much high conviction in Dogecoin. I do not believe Dogecoin is going to continue to go down on this negative trend line. But we do have to prepare for our next support line, which is the bottom of 30 cents. Once we reach that and actually bounce off of that, we can reach the 29 cent, 28 cent, or not 28 cent, but 26 cent support line. So anyways, big news with Dogecoin, another whale right here. So this whale, is more inside of the little day trading, scene. But most of these whales are coming in with one-time purchases, give or take. So $31.5 million done today. Now let's get off of the whales and let's talk more about what chain analysis just said about Dogecoin. Now, chain analysis says Dogecoin adoption reaches record level high of 82% of Doge supply owned by 535 entities. Huge statement right there. As you can see, look here. They say blockchain analytics firm Chain Analysis says Dogecoin is currently being adopted by new investors at a level not seen since the late 2017 bull market. The firm further noted that the most supply is held by a small number of wealthy entities. Specifically, 82% of the Dogecoin supply is held by 535 entities that hold more than 10 million Doge each. And we just now went over all of those whales. So this is a big statement, and this is a correct statement as well. So they say chain analysis of Dogecoin. So blockchain data platform Chain Analysis published a market intel report on Dogecoin last week. The firm's chief economist Philip Gradwell explained, exclusive on-chain analysis of Dogecoin shows it is currently being adopted by new investors at a level not seen since 2017 bull market, with new investors increasing their share of supply from Dogecoins from 9% in July 2020. That's huge, to 25% in August. So from 9% inside July to 25% in August, that's huge. People are really doubling down on Dogecoin right now, and we see this in real time. So this is a big statement here. 37 billion Doge is held by 31 investors that have held for 6 months to 2 years. So yeah, we have huge whales inside of Dogecoin. Well, we can't deny that. Everyone knows Dogecoin is about to be the future here. Now let's go over a little bit more of the technical analysis from their point of view. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Pretty sure they're not financial advisors either, but they're still talking about it. So Dogecoin price zigs when it should zag. They got some funny statements here, but Doge is still posed for higher prices. So yeah, it's going down when it should be going up, but it's still posed for higher price action, a higher uptrend right now. So that's pretty much what they're saying. Dogecoin continues to locate support around the handle high of a cup with a handle base. Doge closed last week with the best weekly performance since the beginning of May, and Dogecoin price rally since the July low has been highlighted by 3 prominent positive days, each exceeding 10%. So big statement there. Dogecoin price orchestrated a 15.61% gain, blah, 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 blah. Dogecoin price creates a new opportunity for latecomers, which is definitely a big statement because remember, Dogecoin was once 70 cents. We could definitely reach that again and possibly $1 by the end of the year. That's what we're looking at. So despite the 80% despite the recent 80% correction and an 80% correction in January, Dogecoin price is still on pace to record 6 consecutive positive quarters. It has been a roller coaster ride for Doge investors, which it definitely has been, and this is what they're saying here with their technical analysis. Now we go up to our 35 cents and then eventually up to 38 cents, then eventually all the way up to 61 cents. They're saying possibly with inside of the next month we can reach 50 cents with Dogecoin. The reason why I believe this to be true is because Bitcoin is probably going to be by next month, 50K, 55K, possibly even 60K. Look at Bitcoin at $911 million in market cap. We're almost at $1 trillion again with Bitcoin. Now, when Bitcoin reached $1 trillion, everything inside the crypto market just started pumping. So I really believe that's going to be the same thing with this. The second Bitcoin reaches $1 trillion market cap, which will probably be when it hits 50K plus, is going to start pumping huge. All these altcoins are going to be pumping. Dogecoin is going to be pumping as a result of that. So I definitely have some big and high conviction with Dogecoin. Let's talk about baby Dogecoin though, because obviously I've said my truths on baby Dogecoin. As you can see, baby Dogecoin isn't doing well at all. But when Dogecoin starts pumping, when Dogecoin's trending, baby Dogecoin will do well inside result of that. So all it takes is one Elon Musk tweet. Remember, when he tweeted the whole baby Doge thing, remember how everything happened. He tweeted it, it went parabolic, it went crazy. Now, the same thing can happen again. You could say something about Dogecoin and it could go crazy. Because remember, Elon Musk has not talked about Dogecoin in the longest time. But let's look at this. 567,291 people hit that refresh button. 567,305 people. So but lots of people invested in baby Doge, but it's still kind of staying stagnant here. But a big update is coming up with baby Doge, so definitely watch out for that. The Ethereum bridge is moving toward audit phase. So they're about to audit the Ethereum bridge and then get it released out there, moving towards the audit phase, meaning that they're almost done developing it. Then once they're done developing it, they're going to get it audited, probably by Certic or something else. But anyways, once that audit happens, this is going to send baby Dogecoin to the literal moon, because there's a literal whole other blockchain being used for it, like not only on the Binance Smart Chain anymore, but then on the Ethereum bridge. So like, this is huge right here. Then on top of that, we got all of this burning that's supposed to be happening with baby Doge. So to celebrate, the 3-month birthday party with the community, they're about to be burning at least 2 quadrillion baby Dogecoins. As you can see here, they say, but if our tweet gets 20k retweets, we're gonna burn at least 2 quadrillion more. So they're gonna be burning 4 quadrillion baby Dogecoins if they get the 20,000 retweets. Definitely do that. Definitely retweet it, so then we can go all the way up. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you guys like this video, though, please hit the like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.